I'm Thomas Smith, and this is my full review of Lilikoi Boba. This is located in Lafayette, California, and it just opened very recently. It's on Mount Diablo Boulevard, just a little bit to the east of downtown. And Lilikoi Boba is a boba tea place that serves traditional boba, but also with a Hawaiian flair. So Lilikoi in Hawaiian means passion fruit, and many of the Hawaiian flavors and Hawaiian styles are carried through in the menu here at Lilikoi. It's very easy to access. You can place an order on DoorDash to pick up there to have delivered to you, or you can walk on in to the Lilikoi Boba location. You can see the sign still says coming soon. That's how new it is, but it is in fact open in Lafayette. And if we take a look at the menu there at Lilikoi, you can see some of these Hawaiian flavors coming through. For example, there's ube, which is a Hawaiian kind of purple-colored tuber, has a really delicious kind of almost taro-like flavor, and also the Hawaiian classic of pog, pineapple, orange, guava. This has been turned into a really delicious signature drink there. You can also get the traditional boba flavors like Thai tea, as well as black tea and jasmine green tea there. There's many ways you can customize with different kinds of boba as well. And you can see the interior is brand new, really nice, clean, and that Hawaiian theme is carried through in the logo, and also in some cool touches like this neon sign inviting you to take a boba vacation to Hawaii. So it really is a little piece of the islands that you can have here in Lafayette as a nice little pick-me-up at the end of the day. Now, the tea itself, of course, has to be good for that all to be carried through, and that's certainly the case. I got a Thai tea there. My one complaint is that on DoorDash, when you place an order, trying to determine the right kind of boba can be a little challenging. The Lilikoi boba is the traditional boba. The one identified as regular is actually a jelly boba, which I don't like as much. Still okay, but it wasn't what I was looking for. So it's a little confusing. Make sure to double check that you're ordering the Lilikoi boba if you want that traditional circular boba. Other than that, really delicious Thai tea boba here. I also tried on a separate day their jasmine tea flavor. Really strong tea flavors, delicious with the milk, and a nice level of sweetness and ice that you can customize as well. So check out Lilikoi Boba. It's newly opened in Lafayette, and definitely a place I will be coming back to over and over again when I want that little taste of the islands here in Lafayette, California.